A judicial circuit judge with the 12th district is retiring at the end of August. As it turns out, though, it's not because he wants to, because the rules say he must. For a man who wanted to be an English literature professor but chose law school instead, 12th Judicial Circuit Court Judge Lee HAWORTH is leaving behind quite a legacy.
Called the Baby Court Initiative, trying to get help for families that are having children 0 to 5 years old that come into our court system, trying to get them to be the most nurturing, positive parents, trying to have a more global view of what's going on in families and trying to work with them to address the core issues.
Sarasota County will lose the full-time skills of Judge HAWORTH at the end of August when he retires after 26 years on the circuit court. HAWORTH says he's proud of the programs created in the circuit since 1989.
One of them was the reform of the foster care system in our circuit. And I think also the difficulty we had working with the surge in foreclosure cases.
Some may find it surprising that HAWORTH's retirement is not actually something he wants to do.
The Constitution, Article 5, has this requirement that judges retire at age 70. I think when that constitutional provision was passed, 70 looked like a long way off. Now it's the new 50, and I'm in good health. I think I'm at the top of my game. I'd like to stick around.
So it's with mixed emotions. Judge HAWORTH will leave the 12th Circuit bench at the end of the month, but several of the rehabilitation programs that started in the last 26 years will remain in Sarasota County.
Delinquency court, we have projects like the School Justice Partnership, where we're working with the school board trying to find ways to keep kids in school, lessen the expulsions and suspensions, and hopefully degrade what they call the school to prison pipeline.
Along with a handwritten letter to Governor Rick Scott.
When I wrote the governor to tell him I had to leave my office, I made a note of telling him that I think it needs to be changed.
Suzanne Lee, SNN, Suncoast News Network. Judge HAWORTH acknowledges his retirement will make way for younger judges who also deserve a shot at the bench, but he's hoping the retirement age could be adjusted to 75 years of age.